Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Buy Me a Coffee login issues in 2026. So if you can't sign in, forgot your password, or your account keeps showing login errors, yeah, this beginner troubleshooting guide will help you step by step. First, make sure your email and password are correct, so double check for spelling mistakes, wrong passwords, or extra spaces. Next, use the same login method you used during sign up. I mean, if you signed up with Google or Apple, you must continue using that option. So yeah, if you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and reset it using your email. Buy Me a Coffee will send you a password reset link. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Old login sessions or corrupted browser data can stop the website from working properly. So yeah, open Buy Me a Coffee in incognito mode or try another browser like Chrome. This helps remove extension or session conflicts. Next, turn off your VPN or ad blockers temporarily. Sometimes these tools block login requests or security checks. So yeah, if you enabled two-factor authentication, make sure you enter the correct verification code from your email or authenticator app. Now check if Buy Me a Coffee is having server issues. Sometimes login problems happen because the platform itself is temporarily down. Finally, if nothing works, contact Buy Me a Coffee support. They can help recover your account or fix login-related problems. And that's how to fix Buy Me a Coffee login issues in 2026. Once you follow these steps, most sign-in problems, password errors, and authentication issues can be solved quickly. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.